Best bites forever.
Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Chef Alicia, and in this video I'm going to show you my absolute favorite way to make couscous. Let's rock it out. I'm starting off here with a 1/4 cup of butter, and I will leave you a couple of vegan options for that. I'm also adding 2 cups of water, and I'm going to bring that to a boil, and then I'm going to add 1½ cups of couscous and give it a nice little stir, and then I'm going to put the lid on it and I am going to turn off the heat, and basically I'm going to let it sit here for, I don't know, like 5 to 7 minutes, and then take the lid off, and like by magic it has just fixed itself. So now I'm adding in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of dates, some slivered almonds, also the same amount of golden raisins, and some pistachios. I'm going to stir these up, and I'll tell you something that's also really nice in here is like a tablespoon of nicely chopped mint. And once I get this all stirred around, I'm going to add in a simple syrup, and I made this by microwaving 3 tablespoons of sugar with 2 tablespoons of water and just stirring it up. And there's my syrup, which I have added on, and I am going to give this a little stir. And here it is, all finished, just like Mama never made. Thanks for watching, everyone.
bestbitesforever.com